I am packing. I am leaving the United States of America. Little old me, I don't know how they found me, but can't wait to share the good news with you. So the cat is out the bag, okay? It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. This video is super special. I am so excited and I can't wait to share the good news with you. In this video, we'll be doing some organizing. I am packing. Where am I going? You're gonna find that out in just a few minutes. If you are new to the channel and you're wondering what's this channel all about, I do home decor lifestyle content. So if that type of content resonates with you, please consider subscribing to my channel. You are gonna love it here, and this video you are gonna love it even more. Now it is like 9 p.m. at night and I'm like, why not start a video because I need to record this journey. So yes, my bedroom is a mess right now because I am getting things organized. I am packing. I am leaving the United States of America. Just kidding. So I have a bittersweet thing to tell you guys. So good news or bad news first? All right, which one first? So let's do the good news first. This is a little life update and I cannot keep the secret anymore, so the cat is out the bag. Okay, now you know I always come on here and I give you guys my all. I don't really call myself an influencer, but I'm a content creator that what you see is what you get. And if you follow me on any of my social media platforms, you know that I'm probably one of the realest person you'll ever come across. Not meeting me in person, meeting me on the internet, but what you see is what you get. And whatever I do, I give it my all. I put my everything in it, and thank you so much to my support system, my husband, my parents, my kids, everyone. No, guys, listen, hard work is the key to success, and I know we've heard that time and time again and it sounds cliche, but let me tell you, I am living proof that hard work is the key to success. All right, enough of that talking. Let me get to the point. So YouTube invited someone to Los Angeles. Yep, YouTube invited someone to their Google office in Los Angeles for a YouTube shopping event. Now, when the person sent me the email, I was like, okay, that's a big deal because I'm happy for the person, you know what I mean? So I was like, okay, I gotta work hard. Scrap this. I'm kidding. Listen, y'all. YouTube invited your girl, me, Tiana Emma Rose, to their YouTube shopping holiday event in Los Angeles. Guys, I am not kidding. Like, I know hard work is the key to success. And little old me, I don't know how they found me, but I'm putting in the work and I love what I do. And I was here at home, got the email. YouTube is inviting me to their biggest event of the season. We are getting ready for the holiday season and your girl will be there. So I am gonna record everything for you guys because this is a first for me. This is my first influencer event, and I wouldn't even say I wouldn't even say influencer event, which it is, but this is a big one because YouTube themselves invited me. Me. So I am packing. Now, the bitter moment of the bittersweet. I lost my uncle. Yeah. So I was actually going to Jamaica for his funeral. And while we're here making plans, my husband got my ticket to Jamaica, and back home, I got the email from YouTube. I wasn't going to go, but by discussing and everything, my husband said, you cannot miss this opportunity. So I am packing for 2 trips to Jamaica, to California, back to Jamaica, back to Georgia. And you guys are coming with me. Just the thought about it, I am getting anxious, but I know with the grace of God, because this is ordained by God, and I know by the grace of God and his angels, he will carry me through this bittersweet moment. I worked so hard for this, and God is going to see me through. So that's the news that I wanted to tell you guys. Oh my God. I am so happy I finally came out and said it. I'm so excited. Comment below. Comment below. Send me some hearts. Send me some balloons. Send me some things, because y'all, little old me. But yep, the key to success is hard work, and let's put in the word. This is only the beginning, y'all. This is only the beginning. But anyways, let's get right into the rest of the video. All right, so I am packing some stuff. These are all my toiletries, and this is like a quick travel mini haul with me type thing. So I went to Walmart today and I got some foundation sponge. Always gotta have new one of these when I'm traveling. Always travel with my Flonase, because you never know when your allergy is gonna act up. Gotta have that big bed bug treatment just in case the hotel bed is you gotta have that. My ibuprofen, because I am prone to have a headache and I want to be prepared. Gotta have your Downy wrinkle releaser, right? My hand sanitizer I need to top up. My floss, my lint roller, my Invisalign case, my deodorant, dry spray, wipes, tissues, face cleaner. This is actually micellar water. I'm gonna top it up. This is my little travel bag. As I said, this is what I use every time I'm traveling. Body wash, panty liners, all body spray. I've started using this Secret all body spray, and when I tell you, it is so good. This is actually the peach and vanilla blossom. I think I have the lavender one. It is so good. I love using it. Listerine, face products, Bioma moisturizing products, foaming cleanser, hydrating facial cleanser, and moisturizing cream, because you know the different weather and all of that, and I am prone to get dry and red and blotchy, and I don't want that right while I'm traveling, because it's a lot of traveling. I have some micellar water here, and on this side I got some Oli gummies today. So I got the Goodbye Stress and the Active Immunity, because I actually have the flu right now. So I'm trying to get over that before I travel, which is in a few days. Some flushable wipes, because you definitely need that, especially on a flight from Jamaica to California. That is 9 hours. Well, my flight is 13 hours because I'm connecting. Definitely need flushable wipes. Some more wipes. This is to wipe your hands. Then I got a small pack of makeup wipes and hand lotion, Dove antibacterial soap, and what did I miss? Sunscreen. This is a Cetaphil sunscreen. This is very good if you guys haven't used it. And then I got some hyaluronic eye mask and some rose eye mask, just in case I am jet lagged and I'm looking a hot mess after all of that traveling. So yeah, so I am gonna pack these up right now, and then I'm gonna grab my suitcase and start putting my stuff together. So let's get to packing.
Look, ayy. When will they learn? You gotta love what you got. Want more than they earn, picking the locks, only one way to the top. I've been enjoying my turn. When will they learn? It's all about what you flip, it ain't about what you earn. Taking the steps, ain't no shortcut to the top. I've been enjoying my turn. When they gon' learn? You gotta love what you got. Want more than they earn, picking the locks, only one way to the top. I've been enjoying my turn. When they gon' learn? It's all about what you flip, it ain't about what you earn. Taking the steps, ain't no shortcut to the top. I've been enjoying my turn. Perfect day, Highway 61. Tell my chick to come. I'm like, babe, tell your sister come. Let my come. Spark that J, roll a different one. Cough like missing lung. Need that pay, I've been missing funds. I like different fun. I'm the one, we ain't even. You can't overcome them eyes my attitude on who you. I'm selective with amnesia. I act like I never knew you. She got brown girl magic. Think my shawty do that voodoo. Bout to touch her like I'm hacking when she hacking to that Hulu. Hoodoo think they is about my biz, about my dope. People from my hood don't play about their kids, about that dope. Why you chasing Nookie? Tell me what it is about that. Claim you love her, but she got all of my kids inside her throat. When would I learn? You got